towards changing this 9 of clubs into a king of clubs. I don't know if that'll ever be possible.
Hi guys, this is AJ's Productions and today we are going to do magic tricks.
What a mess you made! Clean this up!
Oh man, okay, sorry. Okay, so guys, I've cleaned the mess as you can see. So me, Jayvil and Somic are going to show you 3 different magic tricks. And now Somic is going to show you the snap change.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the snap change. It's there in the movie Now You See Me Too. It's there in the intro. And as shown in our intro, while I was sleeping, when I woke up, I did that. Okay, yeah, that was funny, doesn't matter. See, I'm gonna change this 9 of clubs into king of clubs, like this. Okay, to be honest, you need to actually have 2 cards. Any of the 2 will be okay. I'm choosing 9 of clubs and king of clubs. Yeah. So, what you basically do is take the card, you pinch it slightly from behind. It's a 3-fingered position. Your index finger and the middle finger on the forward and your thumb behind. And you pinch it from behind like this. So it bends a bit from behind. And then you release the pressure from the index finger and your middle finger goes down. And you just do this. I'll give you some tips, around 4 tips, yeah. First, always keep your move your card with the middle finger and the index finger. If you move it with your thumb, it will come out like this. Second tip, whenever doing this trick, practice in front of a mirror so you can see how the audience will feel. And if someone's longer than you, don't try to do it in front of them because they will see the card behind.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the card protection trick. Now this is the 3 of hearts. As you may have guessed, I've seen it, which is the last card. Now I'm going to shuffle it behind. Now this is the king of spades. And now I'm going to shuffle it again. I think, no, this is hard. 6 of hearts, yeah. And then 10 of diamonds. I can do it a long time, but now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, now we need a deck of cards. We can take half of it or how many as you wish. Now first you see the last card, which you can see it in front of the audience. Now as you can see, this is a 10 of diamonds. Now to predict a card, when we have to do some preparation before. We need to take the back card and keep it reverse. So if I show you the 10 of diamonds, I can see this behind card. So when I show you and then when I take behind, I just put the 8 ahead and the back card I flip it again, so I can, when I show you the 8 of clubs, I can see the J of diamonds, a J of hearts behind. And now again, if I put the J of hearts ahead and I flip the back card, then I can see the 2 of diamonds while saying the card in the front. Now let me give you some tips. Now when in the magic trick, you have to do it behind your back without saying it, the flipping. It may feel hard at the first time, but when you're getting used to it, you can show it to your audience. And make sure when you are changing the cards behind it, the audience should feel you're shuffling it and no one should take a sneak peek behind your back. So guys, after my trick, now Jay will show you the 21 magic.
Hi guys, I'm Jayvil and today I'm going to be showing you the 21 magic trick. Okay?
Yeah.
So Krish will be the audience in this trick.
Yeah, I'm
So
Krish.
I'm going to arrange a couple of cards.
Yeah. How many cards are these?
7 in each row.
How many rows?
You can see that now.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, so it's
Krish?
21 cards basically.
Yeah. So now Krish, you're going to select any one card in your mind and keep it.
Yeah, wait. Okay. Yeah.
You chose your card?
Yeah, wait. Your audience, I have chosen the Queen of Hearts. Okay. Now we'll keep it a secret as Jayvil doesn't want to know it. Come on, let's do it. Yeah, you know the card. Now let Jewel do the
Wait,
trick.
you selected a card.
Yeah.
Which row is it in? This, or this?
It's in the middle row, the middle
Okay,
column.
fine. It's in the middle row. I'm going to be guessing your card.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to arrange the cards again. Tell me which card, in which row the card is.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now tell me which row is your card in again.
Yeah, it's in this row. It's in this row.
This row.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Audience, you know the card, so please keep it a secret.
Okay. Which row is it in?
It's in the middle row.
Okay.
I know this magic is taking time, but here's the cool part, which Jewel will show now.
Okay. Krish, tell find your card.
Yeah. Find my card.
Okay. FINDMY
Find my.
CARD and
Card.
this is your card.
Oh, so audience, is this a Queen of Hearts?
Yes.
Yes, you can see it. So Jewel guessed it right. Now, can you show us how to do it?
Okay. So now we are going to be going with the tutorial for the 21 card trick. So what you're going to do first is grab 21 cards out of your whole deck. Okay, it does not matter which card. Then you're going to arrange them in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to end up in this way, with 7 in each row and 3 rows being made. Now what you're going to do is, suppose you select the card 6 of spades. Now it's in this center row. So what you're going to do is pick up any of these 2 rows first. Yeah. Then comes the middle row in which your card is. So since 6 of spades is in this row, we are going to take this row up second. In the middle. And we are going to take this row in the last. Okay. Now what's going to happen is that the row which was in which there was a 6 of spades will be in the center. Now you're going to flip this deck upside down and you're going to arrange it in a different format. Now you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this way it's going to be different from the way we arranged it last time. Last time we arranged them in straight lines. This time we are going to go horizontal and place all the cards. Now the 6 of spades, where is it? It's in the middle row again.
Yeah.
So you're going to take any of these 2 sides. Suppose we take this first now. Yeah. Then we are going to take the middle row since 6 of spades is in this row. Then we are going to take the last row. Yeah, okay. So now you're again going to arrange it in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically how we arranged it was first in straight lines, then we went horizontal, and then we went vertical again. Now 6 of spades is again in the middle row.
Yeah.
This is a coincidence, but most of the times it won't happen like this. It does not matter where your card ends up. Just remember that the card in which the row in which the card is has to always be in the center. Center. And on top. Now what you're going to do is flip the card around. You're going to tell your friends to tell find my card. So when he says that, you are going to do FINDMYCARD, which means find my card, and your card will be 6 of spades. So this is basically how you do it. Now the main tips which you need for this trick is that whenever you are doing it, make sure that the card always ends up like the row in which the card is always is in the middle row. Second tip I would tell you is that when you're arranging the card, make sure it goes first vertical, then horizontal, and then vertical again. And the third point, always remember that you only need 21 cards. You can't use the full deck to do this trick. And yeah, that's basically the tutorial for the 21 card trick.
So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more action.